select the resource from the list, and then click Apply. The resources schedule is now displayed on the Day View tab. Inventory Organizer displays a comprehensive view of a physician's schedule. It provides a snapshot of the current day's appointments, which includes appointment times, patient information, appointment details, and patient status. The left column of the Ambulatory Organizer main window contains functionality for the Power Chart Message Center. The right side of the screen displays different items depending on which action bar button is selected. The Day View displays today's office appointments for an unlimited number of providers. You can select the providers to be displayed by opening the Patients For menu list. If the user signed into the Ambulatory Organizer is also a resource, their name will be displayed at the top of the Patients For menu and will already be selected. The color of the color status bar on the far left indicates the status of the appointment. Light blue means a confirmed appointment. Medium blue means a checked-in appointment. Green means a seen by nurse, medical student, or custom status has taken place. Orange means a seen by physician, mid-level provider, resident, or custom status has taken place. Dark gray means the appointment has been checked out. White means a no-show, hold, or cancelled appointment. The light indicator on the color status bar is displayed once the appointment status has been changed to seen by a physician, indicating there are tasks that need to be completed. To quickly see what tasks still need to be completed for a patient, position your pointer over the color status bar. You can click the task to navigate to the appropriate location in the patient's chart to complete the task. You can also manually satisfy a reminder task by positioning your pointer over the reminder task icon and clicking the check box. You can position your pointer over patient name in the patient column, and a pop-up box is displayed with the patient name, MRN, FIN, DOB, and phone number. Similarly, when you position your pointer over the patient status in the status column, the total time for each status along with the total time in office is displayed. To update the patient status and location, click the current patient status or the current patient location to open the applicable list, and select the appropriate option. The Notes column displays reason for visit and the most recently updated chief complaint data, as well as temporary comments. An icon is displayed to the left of the reason for visit if a temporary comment exists. Click the icon to view the comment. Temporary comments provide a nurse or provider the ability to share information to other staff viewing this appointment. These comments do not become a part of the patient's chart and are removed from the Ambulatory Organizer at midnight. The calendar view displays a single provider's schedule for a day or a week interval. The Open Items view displays unfinished tasks for a single provider, from today through the past 7 days since the appointment. The Upcoming view displays unfinished tasks for a single provider for surgery appointments scheduled out 7 days. Click a patient name to open her chart. After you log into PowerChart and open a chart for one of your patients, your default view is the anesthesia-specific provider view. There are 3 tabs, each containing components to help you document information during the different phases of anesthesia. These views are named the pre-anesthesia workflow, post-anesthesia workflow, and anesthesia summary. Use the pre-anesthesia workflow to review information such as past anesthesia records, allergies, and recent documentation. You can also document new information and place orders as needed. You can scroll down the workflow or select specific component titles on the component list on the left. The Problems List component displays a list of problems and diagnoses. You can select whether the problem is for this visit or if it is chronic. The Anesthesia Records component displays all anesthesia records for past surgical procedures. Select a procedure to open the record in a separate viewing window. An anesthesia record displays medications, intakes, and monitor names along the left side and their charted values in the center of the view. The Actions list on the right contains action names along with a timestamp. You can scroll down to view additional information. You can review anesthesia records to find relevant clinical information such as the grid or whether a person had a history of difficulty with intubation. You can also position your pointer over the icons in the lower grid to display the action details. The Allergies component allows you to view and add allergies. The Documents component allows you to review and add notes. Select a note to view the details. You can view a note within the workflow, or click Open Document to view it in a separate window. Review the contents of the note and click Close.
The Problem List component is available on all of the Workflow InPages views. When you add a new problem, you can have it added automatically as a problem for this visit, a chronic problem, or both. To add a new problem, use the Add Problem search box. Select the appropriate result from the list. The new problem is automatically added to the end of the problems for this visit. You can change the priority of the problems by clicking the down arrow to the left of the problem. When you update the priority, the order of the problems shifts automatically. You have just seen how to work with the problem list.
In Symptom in the search box, and click Search. Click Select. Select the severity of the allergy. Select the info source. Select the onset. Click OK. The patient's allergies are displayed on the Allergies component. And navigate to the Documents component of the pre-anesthesia workflow. Note, you could alternatively navigate to the Documentation component on the PowerChart TOC to access the note. If you have the pre-anesthesia evaluation saved as a favorite note template, click the down arrow button and select the note to begin. If you do not have it saved as a favorite, click the Add button. Select or deselect the information to include in the note, and then click OK. The pre-anesthesia evaluation opens. You can use the menu on the left to expand or move to specific sections. The buttons in the lower right corner allow you to sign, save, or cancel the note. Notice next to the section titles in the note that you can click Show Structure, Hide Structure, or use free text. Show Structure displays the details of a section that you can document. Hide Structure collapses the section. Use free text allows you to enter information using free text instead of selecting listed items to document details. To complete the note, click the area of the note you want to document. Some details may require you to enter information in a dialog box. Then click OK. You can complete other details simply by selecting an option listed in a row. Click Show Structure to expand a section and document the details. When the section structure expands, continue to make your selections. In this example, negative was selected for each system. Continue to move through the different sections of the note, documenting information that is relative to your patient's condition. The section displayed here is the physical examination. Some sections contain additional details than what is originally displayed. Click the double right arrow next to the section heading to expand the additional details. Continue selecting the appropriate options and entering details as you move through the sections of the note. If a section title has the letter M displayed next to it, like the anesthetic plan section in this example, you can document the details for that section using a macro. Click the M, and then select the appropriate macro. Selecting the macro automatically completes the section. When you are finished with your assessment and are ready to sign the note, click Sign Submit. Click Sign, and then refresh your view to see the note added to the list of documents on the Documents component. Enter your order in the search box. Select your order. Enter the missing required details. Enter your patient's special instructions. Scroll down. Enter your ERX note to pharmacy. Click Sign. Select the checkbox next to the prescription. Click Sign. Your username is automatically entered. Enter your password. Then click OK. Click Refresh. You placed an electronic prescription for a controlled substance.
Begin by placing the order Referral Ambulatory. From the Workflow page, navigate to the new Order Entry component and search for Referral Ambulatory Order. You can select it and complete it here, or you can go to the Table of Contents menu, click on Orders and Add, using the search tool, search for Referral Ambulatory. You can right-click on the order to add it to your favorites.